everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations. My name is Tia. Today I'm going to give you a flip through of my 2023 bullet journal. I'm all done now up until January, so I thought I would take you on a little journey and show you what I've done. So this is my journal. It's a Clairefontaine dot grid journal. It's got the leather-like cover. So inside we have, let me just zoom you in a little bit so that you can see a little bit better. Hopefully that's okay. So there's the front inside. It's got a little pocket. I haven't put anything in there yet. And then it's got a few contents pages, so I can fill those out as I go. Then there's the first dot grid page. I haven't done anything on that. I'm probably just going to leave that, or maybe, I don't know, but that's that page. Then we open up and we've got the key, which is, so if you're new to bullet journaling, it is a system that was created by Ryder Carroll. He's got a website and he explains how the whole bullet journal system works, and over the years people have adapted it to suit their needs, which is the beauty of using the bullet journal system. So I've got my key, I've got my cover page for 2023, which I've decorated. I've just drawn some circles and coloured them in and stamped some little, what do you call them, plant type stamps. So that is that one. And then I have done my year at a glance calendar, so this will be for birthdays and special events. So I've just got all of our birthdays and our wedding anniversary. So that is that one. And then over here is, these are going to be my themes for each month. As you can see, I've already done the January theme. These are layout ideas for each spread. And then we go over here to, this is my YouTube tracker. So I will put a date when I hit each of these milestones. Probably won't be 2023, but you never know. And then I've got some video ideas and more video ideas that will be for paper crafting or tutorials. It's, you know, see how that goes. My word of the year for 2023 is inspire, and I've just written down the meaning of the word inspire. So I'm always inspired by others' artworks and crafts and things like that. So hopefully this is going to be a year of inspiration for everybody. So that is my word of the year. And then over here I've got my goal setting page, which is the 4 keys about how to set a goal. And it just says, what do you want? Be specific. Why do you want it? What will you gain? How will your life change? What is holding you back? What obstacles will you face? Number 4 is take action, go for it. Break down big goals into small tasks. Create a game plan. Tackle one small task at a time. A goal without a plan is just a wish. I often see you know, people setting lofty goals and not being able to complete them, and it's, you know, if you break it down into smaller chunks, it's more doable. So these will be where my personal goals go and my Calm Creations goals go. You know, I've smudged that, but you know, I'm not going to go and sit in the corner and rock because of it. I'm just going to move on. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is my journal and that's how it'll be. So then I've got a spread about books I want to read and movies I want to watch. And then I've got my all things wish list, so that could be anything. And then we go into my January section, and I've decorated my front cover page. So I've gained lots of inspiration from Pinterest. It is just absolutely incredible for getting ideas, and I found this on there and used that idea. So we've got lots of light bulbs and things that I'll be using throughout the month of January. And then we go to, this is my cleaning tracker. I did this system, I've used it before and it works for me, so I have adapted it again and I will be using it again. And it just keeps me on top of all the chores. So that is that one. Then we go over here, and this is my monthly schedule plan with events and anything that I need to write down and remember. So again, I've decorated it with the light bulbs. I've got a goals section and some notes, and then a small calendar for the following month. And then we have my gratitude log. So every day I will have 2 things that I'm grateful for, and decorate it again. And then we have my January tracker, which is where I will list all of my things that I'm doing and my goals and how I'm tracking them. That was something else I used in the very beginning and it worked wonders. So I've been bullet journaling since 2016, so these are spreads that I've had before and they've worked well for me. So this is January memories, and then we go into my daily plans and schedules, and so things will be written in these boxes and these pages will be decorated. So this is for the first week of January, starting on Sunday and up to the following week, and then I'll repeat that again, and then I'll come back and show you how I've done it. So I hope you enjoyed that wee flip through of how I've set up my journal for 2023, and yeah, that's about it. Have a wonderful day everybody, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.